Hey there guys, what's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks. Today we are looking at Canva's animated tool, or animation tool I should say, where you can go in and create the animation. Just as you don't know, right now stop motion and animation is really hot, where you just have like a static image and you have things kind of floating around it or things happening within the image itself, but the actual person isn't moving. But you have different elements of it that are animated and move around, all that good stuff. So we're going to dive in. We're going to check out Canva's tool. Let me go to my screen. I'm going to share my screen with you. Let's dive in and let's check it out. And so I wanted to record this really quick video for you guys because I think what I want to do on my Joss Speaks Digital page is I want to just update you guys on cool things that I run into, because I run into cool stuff all the time. As you all know, I am a content creator, but I also create content for other folks, companies, counties, so on and so forth. Primarily right now in the maternal mental health space, or birthing and birth work. But I also do some stuff with, entrepreneurs and speakers, so on and so forth, which I can't I don't have enough heart to leave them behind. So, so with that being said, this page will have a little mixture of both, but let me dive into this Canva with you really quick. So super cool template. As you all know, or maybe you don't know, I don't know if you know, but stop motion animation right now is huge. I mean, like everybody's talking about it. It's like all the rave. You'll see all through your timeline. There's a lot of different things going on, as it should be, right? People are excited when there's something new and happening in digital, and it just looks really cool. Like the visual effects of it look really cool. So as you can see here, I have myself. I have a picture of myself, and I have the crown here. This is just a template that I used. So there's a couple of different templates that they have. This is the one that I actually took and I created this image. But they also have this one here where they have like the dog bowl moving. What I'm thinking is this is probably a premium. I do not have Canva Premium. I just have the regular old Canva. So I just have a regular one, but let's do another one. Let me just show you guys how cool this is and how you can make this really fun. So we have something like this here, right? Where we have the yay that is like different colors. We have an image here. Super cool, super fast way that you can create some content is you can just go in here, and I like to utilize my brand colors, which are here. So I place in my brand color. I may want to change. Let's see if we can change this. It doesn't look like you have the opportunity to. So we may need to keep that the same, but I'm totally cool with that. But changing the image in here, you would go in here and just switch the image over. So I'm going to go ahead and switch the image out. All right, so I've gone ahead and I've taken out the image and I'm placing this image in. It's just a brief overview because I saw it. I'm like, oh, this is cool. I want to share this with you guys. So I wanted to share it with my community here and let you guys know that this is a really cool way for you to create some cool content to place in on your social media profiles to help you build your presence, but then to also engage your audience, which we are all about engagement here, right? We are not about doing stuff just for the hey of it, but we want engagement, right? You want to speak to your audience. Like I always say, it's all about conversations. So the more conversations you have, the more money you'll make. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and move this back. So let me push that back. Oh, it's going back behind here. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to take that off. And now my image is here. And now I have the like sparklies and I have the image right there, and that's all good. And I'm going to change this, of course, because I want this to resonate with the audience, which is you, right? With the individuals that follow me in the community that we're having here. So we're going to put the mother of content creation. All right, that's me, right? Mother of content creation. Anyway, that's what I'm going with. Right, so there we are. We have it all set up. We are good to go. So what we would do is just go ahead and download this, and I'm going to download it. Now, if you didn't know, so this is the video, and as you can see, it says beta. So we don't want both. We only want one video. It's going to turn it into an MP4 for us. We only want one video. So we're going to switch that over. We're going to go ahead and take just the second one. I'm not going to take the second and the first, because if I do that, then the video will play both options, and I only want one option. So we only want one frame. Let's put it that way. So we're going to click on done, click on download. That's going to go ahead and download. We're going to give that a second. Who else had a older relative that watched Jeopardy? Only me? I'm sure it wasn't only me. And All right, so we are all set. It's all uploaded here. And now, guess what I forgot to do? I forgot to name this. So it just went as animation MP4. It's all good. You guys don't laugh at all these freaking tabs. I'm a tabber, and a tabber is someone that just opens tabs up. But I know where to find everything.